Oh yeah?
It is hot.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, the humidity isn't terrible, which is a good thing, but it's still warm.
Yeah, I know. Give me a few minutes.
What? Birds?
Yeah, you hear 'em? Pretty soon you'll see them flying around. You may even hear boom, boom.
Oh yeah, I know. I hear that owl. I hear the owls. Sometimes I hear one like there and one over there talking to each other.
Yeah.
I hear it there, and then all of a sudden I hear it from here. Yeah, I hear it now.
It's under the tail, babe. Go around the other side. Now put through. No, just go through the center. Never mind. All right.
I want to put this trailer through so I can get rid of all this.
Okay. That's running, fixed, greased, lubed, all that kind of stuff. Cleaned.